What's good, YouTube? It's somebody boy back with another video. Today we got a POV for y'all, and I'm back in South Carolina on the back roads. And you know, these little back roads look like fun to drive on. You know, like it's not like no canyon runs, but it's like, you know, just back roads or whatever. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I just feel like I pretty much figured out that this windshield is too damn small to do POVs, because when I wear it, it'll be up here, and then I just think that's too high for y'all because y'all can't see nothing. So either I'm gonna have to sit like this, be able to barely see. This would be perfect, but I'd have to lower my seat down and barely be able to see for real. So right now I'm just holding it until I master that. I'm just gonna hold it or get the GoPro, but I don't know where I put my GoPro last time. So yeah, we just on back roads right now, just chilling, because you know, in the country you can do whatever you want damn near. Got a little cookout family function going right there. Is that a person in the, oh, that's a fake person. Y'all hear that? Bro, I just love this car so much. I want a ZL1 so bad, y'all just don't understand. I don't think I've ever been this way, so we going this way. Oh my gosh. No cars, no cars. Car come, oh no. See, like, if I had a motorcycle, I even ride motorcycles back. Dang. Hope that wind ain't too hard on y'all, so if it is, I apologize. It just feels better when you ride with the windows down. If you're new to if you're new to this channel, make sure y'all subscribe, because this channel, I pump out content all the time. Oh, I like this little road. It's like a little, I can go about 5. I go about 200. So I have no destination. I just thought maybe giving them like a country back road drive would be fun. I have no clue where I'm going though, so wherever we go, next turn will be to the right. Damn, we could build a fat ass house over here. Why the sun look like that on the camera? Fuck. Oh, I know where I'm at now. See, like this angle right here would be perfect. I just have to get down a little bit. But I like when y'all see everything like this, and then, you know, damn. You know what? I'm finna change this destination, and we about to go to Lugoff Ford. My friend, y'all see how bad that looks? My friend Matt works there. That's where I drove Josh Laurent's so I'm about to go ahead and put this in so I know where to go, and then that's where we headed. All right, y'all, we got the destination, and we 10 minutes away. Matt is there. He said he leaves in 30 minutes, but we're gonna be there before 30 minutes. So honestly, I just need to, okay, headset needs to be like right here. So if I drop all the way down, let me see. All right, that's perfect. All right, y'all are on the head now. Yo, I don't know, this motherfucker hurts. All right, now we should be good. I ain't gonna cap. Hopefully this is great. I wish I could see the shit, but we just gonna go for it. Let me drop it down a little bit. Nah, y'all should be perfect. I ain't gonna cap. If y'all not perfect, it don't get no more perfect. But yeah, we are on the way there. And for people who don't know, this was on my main channel. I did drive Josh Laurent's Corvette here. Like, he sold it to this dealership and it was there, and I was like, why not go drive it for a video? Now, in his video, he said I should have bought it, but in my, like, it would have been a great investment for the channel, but in my eyes, it's like they wanted like 62 for it or something. Why would I spend 62 on a base model Corvette when there's some ZL1s out there going for that? Like, to me, that would just be a dumb purchase, but it would be a great investment. But I'm not sure though. I feel like it wouldn't be a good long term. Like, oh my gosh, it'd be good for like a video. Like, I bought Josh Laurent's old Corvette. That's about it. I feel like it don't get no better after that, unless I milk the hell out of his name on the channel, which, I mean, it's YouTube, it happens. But I just didn't get to. So we about to go there now and see what they got. And this is Lugoff Ford, Lugoff, South Carolina. Josh actually bought his McLaren here, and he bought his Lambo here. So he has a good connection here. And the general manager here is pretty cool. Like, he got some pretty nice cars too. And you know, it'd be crazy. He got a Lambo. It'd be crazy if he let me drive it for a video. So if he somehow see this my boy, he got a bunch of stuff. Like, he got a brown Lambo. I think he got a Huracan. Damn, I'm going slow as hell. Oh, I just saw a hard shirt over there. Y'all hear that? You can't do that too much, because this county don't play. They be, I ain't gonna say they're bugging, but they be strict. I hope this is the right one, because it said closed on the thing, so I hope this ain't like an old one or something. That's a big ass park. Hold on, y'all. Let me check this, because I don't remember this drive bit. Well, actually, I don't know. We're gonna see. But I'm gonna probably just put y'all away for a second, and I want to check this footage real quick. Right, y'all, we are pulling up now. See the big ass Ford sign? I don't know why, but on that maps that shit say it's closed. It said they close at 2:30. Shit bright as hell. This is why I need my son shit tennis, so somebody pay for it. Thanks. All right, we're gonna have some people walk up to us, but hopefully no one does except Matt, cause I don't wanna talk to nobody yet. Damn, I can't see shit. Oh, there you are, my son. I'm gonna park right here. Y'all, this is Matt's old car. He upgraded to a big boy truck. So come here to Lugoff Ford and get it. Was manager, now special. Got a little Hemi here. I just think it's crazy how the Mopar scene is so overrated that they can charge $41K for a used car.
That's 47.
Okay, but that's a special Mustang.
Yeah, that's hard.
This is a fucking, and that bitch is basically brand new. This is a 2021 basically brand new. With what's the fucking horsepower on this bitch? Like 300 something?
Yeah,
That's
like 360.
that is crazy. How many miles it's got?
9,000.
9,000. And Chad and Chase got theirs brand new for like 40,000. Yeah, that is crazy. That was a few years ago, but that's still crazy though. 40K. Subaru. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is kind of hard. I don't fuck with Subarus though. It's just this hood looks good. This looks good, but I would never buy no shit like this. Unless I was bored as a project car. But I'll buy some other shit before this. I don't understand why they call this a Mustang. Why is it not just a...
Because it has the front end like the headlights, and then the tail lights look exactly like a Mustang.
I know, but why they even make it a Mustang? That's what I don't understand.
January 1st, the boys put in an allocation for 2024 Dark Horse.
What is that? Oh, that's that new shit? Yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with those. You know what else I fuck with? I kind of fuck with the new Charger. I do. Not an electric. I fuck with the body.
Right.
But that electric bullshit. And it's a Charger. They put the Charger back two-door.
Right.
Damn. What the fuck is that?
Fucking tires.
Oh.
That's how people ought to put in.
Oh, shit. Are those like brand new tires or some shit?
Yeah.
Them bitches sound terrible. Oh, my God. All right, y'all. This is the end of the video. There's a few things out here, but we about to go. He's about to see if we can like look at the light before lightning. So I'm gonna do that for y'all. Give y'all a little review on that. 392 Durango. Yeah. But if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.